आज मिस कहाँ हो यार। दुनिया भर की चीजें मिलेंगी बट जो चाहिए वो नहीं मिलता कभी। हाँ फिर से करते हैं। हम एक गो में बनाएंगे। बटन ए ए Hi everyone, this is me Nidhi. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, then go subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then this is my handler. Go follow me there as well. And for today's video, I have something very interesting, like which I really enjoy doing. So, when I'm getting ready, and if I have a little bit more time, so I would like to spend it on my hair. Like I want to do something with my hair because these days there are so many hairstyles which people are doing and I really like them. So I really want to give it a try कि चलो करके देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. Because mainly I think अभी जो ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है वो है bows and ribbons and scarves. People are wearing it multiple ways and they look phenomenal. So I really wanted to try. So I have some accessories with me. So I'll show you everything. So first up, I think I have shown you this before, like these two pack of bows. One is red and then one is white. So these are from H&M and these are for $3.99 each, I think. This doesn't have the tag. Oh, this is $2.99 and this is $3.99. So I haven't used them yet, but I'm gonna use it today. And then I have these beautiful bows from Miniso. I really love them. They are so huge and so like glittery, sparkly सा है थोड़ा सा fabric, silky. So they look very good. So I got them immediately. The moment I saw them, I was like, I have to get them. And then I have this ribbon, the blue one. So I got this from a packaging. I don't know क्या आया था घर पे, तो मैंने ये ribbon रख लिया था because it's very useful. And then I think these days, except from ribbon, apart from ribbon, I think these days these huge scrunchies are quite in, and I got these two scrunchies from an Instagram page. She made these beautiful scrunchies with her hands only. तो मतलब hand stitch किया हुआ है उसमें, obviously हाथ से बनाई थी, but yeah, so she made these two. Actually I got one more, but that is more like a statement piece. But this is again very beautiful. Look at this one. It has two leaves and this huge flower. It's so pretty. So I got these three scrunchies from her, and the name of the page is Dodo Find. If you can go and connect with her, please go. She did a really fabulous job. I love it. The only drawback is it doesn't open a lot, like this much only. So I can only put my pony through this. I can't do a bun and then put it because it's too tiny for bun. So yeah, rest everything is very beautiful, and it has lace detailing all over the hem, and same on this one. This one actually I requested her to make this color for me. So she sent me the screenshot of the fabric, like this is okay, and she did a really good job of coordinating for all these detailings because I really wanted this one, and I sent her one Instagram ka picture reference ke liye that I wanted something like this, and she did exactly the same thing. So if you wanna buy these, go and get it because they are super cute. And this one as well, this is also very pretty, and this one opens quite a this one's open wide because yeah, see, I can put it in my jura, and this looks so beautiful. It has like thoda satin wala satin नहीं, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, velvet. Yeah, it has velvet wala fabric. It looks so amazing and fluffy. Oh, so cute. And then I have some scarves with me. I have so many actually. See, this green, the red, this multicolor, again green, and some pink. So I'll try to cooperate them as well, because I know I can show you everything. So देखते हैं how to do them, because that is the main task. And because I'm shooting with my phone, I can't see them in my phone, like keep checking and see how to, मतलब उन्होंने कैसे किया, तो I can't see the tutorial. So what I did actually, it's very funny, but so I make a drawing for all the hairstyle which I'm going to try. तो मैंने उसमें जो एक्सेसरीज यूज करी हैं वो लिखी हैं, एंड देन जैसे जैसे उसमें स्टेप्स थे वो मैंने मेंशन किया है, सो आई डोंट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग. बट let's see if I make a blunder or it's a success. So yeah, I did this one. ये मेरी नोटबुक नहीं है, बच्चों की है, तो प्लीज डोंट माइंड. तो yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Okay, so for reference, I'll keep the reference video somewhere here, or maybe this side, maybe more here, because this side is pretty dark, so I'll keep the video here so you have the idea what I'm doing or what hairstyle I'm trying. But for me, I have this for the reference. So yeah, let's begin then, and I'm gonna rotate the other side, and I think that will help you to see better that what I'm doing. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so my mirror is this side, so maybe I'll be seeing here mostly, but when I'll turn around, then I don't have any mirror. So yeah, so सबसे पहले I'm gonna comb and do the center parting. Okay, so I have tried my best to do the middle parting. So yeah, I did this, and then all over the back. Then what she did, I think she did a partition from here. We're gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna secure this part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna tie with this one. It will be more like this. So try to keep it very sleek, and I'm gonna put this red tie with the red bow. So this is first one, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the other one. I'll take this part and I'm gonna tie with this one. So yeah, I think this is the first one. Oh, it looks pretty nice. It looks like one pony, but actually there are two at the back. And for the front, I'm taking some aloe vera gel, and I'm gonna apply very nicely, so it will become very seamless and sleek. No hair coming out. So I think this is very cute. Okay, so for the next one, I'm gonna try this one. So this is more like two ponytail, but it's like French braid wala thing. So we are gonna try this. So for that, first of all, we need lots of rubber bands. हमारे यहाँ हमसे ज़्यादा किसी और को भी रबर बैंड बहुत पसंद है, तो अगर मैं लाउडली बोलूँगी तो मेरे सारे रबर बैंड चले जाएंगे, इसलिए हम धीरे बात करेंगे. I'm gonna take few of them. So this pack I got from Mini, so it has scrunchies, like small ones, and then some rubber bands, the black basic ones, and then two sets of tic tac pins, and then two sets of small clutches, and then that is spiral wala tie also. It's very convenient. Okay, so for this one also I'm gonna do the middle parting. So, okay, we have two parts. Now what we are gonna do, I'll show you this way, then I'll turn around so you can see the other way also, see how it is. So first I'm gonna put the rubber band here only, like here. So exactly you have to put the first pony there where you want to start. So if you want it here, then put it here. If you want a little higher, then you can go a little more higher. But I think I'm gonna keep it here. I'm gonna tie it. Okay, so I have kept the first rubber band here, and now what we gonna do, we're gonna make the fish braid out of this. So I'm gonna take these two sections and I'm gonna take over this first pony and I'm gonna put the rubber band again with the pony earlier. I'm gonna tie it again like this, then again. So far we have this, and now I'm gonna do the pancaking. Pancaking is basically scrunching your braid. So yeah, I'm gonna do it very carefully and properly. And then at the end of the braid, I'm gonna put this ribbon. So this is how the first braid looks. I'm gonna repeat the other side as well. I think I'm done, and this is giving me very school wala vibe. So this is how it looks from the back. So yeah, I think it's cute. It's giving cute. But I can't see from the back, but you let me know if it's good or not. I love it. Okay, the sad part is I have to open them to do another hairstyle for you guys. Ow. Okay, so for the next one, I'm gonna do single pony now. So in this one, I'll try to operate the fluffy wala bigger is scrunchy, which is this one. I'll do the maybe red or blue, or let's do blue, and I'm gonna do this white. Okay, so for this one I'm gonna first make the pony, simple pony, and I'll try to do a little higher pony this time. So I think this is the perfect place. I'll try it with the normal rubber band first, tight as possible. So I have this first. Now I'm gonna put this through. So yeah, I think this looks very cute. Now I'm gonna do two separate braids. I'll do this one first. Yeah, I think this much is fine. And now I'm gonna do this rubber band. So yeah, this is the first one. I'm gonna do the second one as well. This is so cute. So yeah, I think this is the next one, and it looks so cute. I don't believe why didn't I try this before, because they look so nice. So far, I think this one is my most favorite one. So let me know how you like it. Please like कर दो यार. This is taking so much effort. Please like my videos. And yeah, this is so pretty. I don't think from the front it makes a huge difference, but yeah, you can see the flower. And then for the sleekness, I think you can put more aloe vera gel if you want, but for me, I think it's fine. And this looks so cute. Very pretty. I can't stop flaunting it. This took me only 9 minutes to do, so I think it's pretty easy. Anyone can do it. And I think if you have little girls, like you have a daughter or someone at home who's like very cute and छोटू सी बच्ची, तो आप बच्चों पे भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. I think these hairstyles, they will look exactly cute. Okay, so for the next one, I'm gonna open this one first. Okay, so for the next one, I think I'm gonna keep this scrunchie. So in this one, I'm gonna try to include this one. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna make one single braid out of it, like normal one. So I think this is also very simple. And after this, I think I'm gonna tie my hair. And after this, I think I'm gonna put it here. So it's a clip, तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, but I think I'll manage. So मैं इसको, I think I'm gonna take some here a little above from my rubber band, and then I'm gonna put it, I think. Then I think it will do the job. Let me know if you can see it. Yeah, I think it looks very cute. The blue scrunchie, I think the yellow is looking very nice. And if you're wearing something white or like off-white or something very sober and lacy, and I think it's gonna look very cute with the outfit. This is so cute. All the hairstyles, I don't know how to react with all of them, because they are so cute. They are all so cute. I'm keep saying this, so don't judge that I'm repeating the sentence, but they are actually very cute. Like, look at this. Okay, so for the next one, I think I'm gonna change the scrunchie with the red one, with this one. So I'm gonna pass my pony through it, same as earlier, like this. And now we'll do the bubble braid in this one. So I'm gonna do 1 and 2 rubber bands, like this, and then I'll put one more, can be here. And I think now I'm gonna do the pancaking and make it look like a bubble. Like this, and then I'm gonna add these two with the rubber band, so it will match the red scrunchie. So yeah, I think this one is also done. Let me know how it is looking, because I can't see the back, but yeah, I can see a little, and I can promise it's looking cute. Okay, very pretty. And this took me only 3 minutes to do this. Okay, so let's do the next one. In the next one, I'm gonna incorporate one of these bows. Let me know which one. I'm gonna do white, because I'm wearing something pretty matching with white, so I'm gonna do white. So first, I'm gonna do same high pony. I think this much is fine. I'm gonna tie this as tight as possible, and now I'm gonna braid this and then fold it. Like, you remember when we used to go to school and we used to do a ribbon wala fold choti? Exactly what we are doing here as well. So I'm gonna braid this. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this, and now I'm gonna fold it and try to tuck it in with the rubber band. I think, yeah. And now I'm gonna take this bow, and because it is a clip, तो मैं इसको थोड़ा सा रबर बैंड के ऊपर की तरफ लगाऊंगी. And I'm gonna take this here and then I'll put it. So this is like this. I think if you're wearing a cute dress, like with a nice back, I think it's gonna look very awesome. Like, look at this. And you can change the bow color as well. Like, if you have red bow, if you have black or white or whatever you want, I think you can switch it with the color. I really like this one as well. All the hairstyles are giving me so much joy of doing this. So for the next one, I think I'm gonna do a scarf hairstyle because I really need to cooperate them as well. So for the scarf, I'm gonna take this pink one because it's giving a little pop of color. So I think this is perfect. Wait, I need to check jaws. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this pony, the plain one. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna braid with this one. So I'm gonna open the scarf. It's so beautiful and it's so lightweight, like silk or something. So yeah. And I'm gonna fold it to a triangle like this, and now I'm gonna take everything like center में ऐसे. So I have two longer ends. So now is the tricky part. I'm gonna put it through my rubber band which I have here. This is the end, and I'm gonna. So we have like this. Now I'm gonna braid my hair with the scarf. So I'm gonna take little hair for both the scarf side. नहीं तो बीच का हेयर बहुत मोटा हो जाएगा, तो थोड़े थोड़े से बाल हम ले लेंगे. And then just braid it like a normal braid. And now I'm gonna tie it, and what I'll do, I'm gonna take this rubber band and I'm gonna make a knot here. So yeah, I have tied at the end, and yeah, I think this is very cute. So yeah, I think this is very cute and feminine. I think if you're wearing a blazer or a structured outfit, this will look very nice, or a dress for that matter. And you can put aloe vera gel, or you have a wax, then that also you can put. I think this looks very amazing, very cute. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, I have a bun hairstyle with this scarf. So first, I have this pony already. So I'm gonna make a bun out of it, like very simple, normal one, like this, and I'm gonna tie it with the rubber band. So yeah, we have something like this. Now the fun part is take a rubber band. So for this one I'm gonna take a smaller one, and then you have to cover your bun, and then try to put a knot here at the end. So it will go like this, and then I'm gonna tie it like this, and I think this is it. You don't have to do so much, and you just make a bun and cover it with a triangle of a scarf, and then just tie it around, and that's it. That's the look. I think and you have to try this hairstyle. Like, they all are super cute, super fun. You can play around with colors and everything. Like, if your outfit is very subtle, you can play around with colors and make it fun. This was so cute. It was very easy actually. I did it in a minute only. So I think if I can do, then you can also do it. So it's not a big deal, and just put on some aloe vera gel and you're good to go. Chha jao jaake. So I think that's it for today's video. I have tried so many hairstyles and try to include each and every accessories I have. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I really love all the hairstyles I did. So I'm definitely gonna try some of them in future. So we are at the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this video as much as I did doing these hairstyles, because I really love all of them. I would definitely try them in future, and I think you should do it too. And if you do, then let me know. And please like my videos and comment below to interact with me. I'll reply all and every comments you do, I promise. So please do it, and let me put it here, because I really want to say it to you guys that YouTube बनाने का मेरा main purpose ही यही था कि I will get to interact with people. Like, they will comment and I'll reply them. So maybe we'll have good connections and everything, because I love talking people. So I'm looking forward for some comments. So please do it. And till then, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.